Let's have a look at the students' learning outcomes. After completing this unit, students will be able to identify and pronounce familiar 2 and 3 syllable words and common irregular sight words. Demonstrate common conventions and dynamics of oral interactions and group to express likes and dislikes. Interact with the text and use reading strategies while reading to follow instructions, school and public notices, or signs with visuals. Read familiar words appearing on a variety of reading material, such as food labels, advertisements, coins, currency notes, etc. Spell simple 2 or 3 syllable words. Recognize, identify, and use a few words showing position. For example, to, from, up, down. Here, there, prepositions of location and a few words showing position. For example, in, on, to, with. Use the text they read as models for their own writing. Articulate, recognize, and use some formulaic expressions to express limited needs and feelings. Write 3 to 5 simple, meaningful sentences of their own on a given topic with different sentence beginnings.